Okay, so today we're going to learn how to make a DVD cover. I happen to have a DVD with no cover, and I went onto this website called dvdcover.com. You do have to get a membership. It's a small fee. It's like $6-7 for 3 months. There's some other packages if you want to buy into them, but I just needed the 3-month thing. We're going to go in the search bar, and I actually already have Underworld Evolution. We already clicked on the search, and this is what it came up with different types of covers. Now on these covers, this one's pretty much United States and stuff. These other ones are like German and some Dutch sometimes. But we're going to click on the one that's mainly for United States or American type cover. And then we're going to click on that little cover on there. Now I found out the fastest way to actually do this and print it automatically without having to save it into your computer is we're going to right click, and it's going to open up a little icon here where it says open image in new tab. We're going to click on that, and it just downloaded it to the bottom of my screen here. And we're going to go up to the top left. Let's see, your bottom left, it says open. We're going to open that, and it's going to reopen it again. So this is the highest resolution you're going to be able to download and print. And so we're going to go up into the print right up here. We're going to go ahead and print it right away. This will open up your little print page here. You might want to make sure that your photo size right here, your photo size is going to be full page. That way your measurement of your DVD cover will be the exact cover size. So we're going to go ahead and print that. We'll hit print. Before I do actually hit the print, I did want to mention that we are using a glossy presentation paper. You can buy this at like Staples or any other places like that, and I usually buy about 150 count because I print a lot of covers. And anyways, the pound weight on it that you should be using also. Let's see if I can just grab a package here, and I'll put it in front of the screen right there. So those are the sheets that I'm using. It's a 32-pound glossy paper, and this is the type of paper that you're going to be using for your covers. Because if you use plain paper, it's going to come out really crappy, so you don't want to use plain paper. So we're going to go ahead and hit print. And as you can see, it's going to be going through the process of printing. Now your paper is going to be coming out really wet with ink. So once you get it printed, you want to let it sit there for a good 5 minutes so the ink can dry, and don't touch it at all. So sometimes it'll fold up real funny, but anyways, just leave it there for at least a good 5 minutes max, and it'll flatten out and dry up, and then we'll go to the next process. Okay, so we have our chopping block here. I'm going to be cutting the paper, and this is our cover that we're going to be cutting into the size we need for the DVD cover. So you're basically cutting them on the border. And if you don't have a chopping block, well, You can always cut them with scissors. A little more time consuming. Cover. There you have it. DVD cover.